Hi, Sarah.
Come on in. So this is the space that we come to every day. We're based in Tribeca. This is our lovely living room where clients can chill, have some water, have a cup of tea. This is my lovely meditation couch, as I like to call it. When we need to get a little sunlight, although the windows need to be cleaned. It's like these little things that you notice while you're going through. Our lunch table. Dana and I will sit and have the occasional lunch meeting and chill. We have a full working kitchen, so we can do like cooking demos and make lots of yummy snacks and things like that. Hey, come on, we'll show you the offices. This is my office. It's pretty cozy. Lots of family photos to look at and comfy chairs and cozy and warm. We want people to feel like super welcome when they come into space. Oh, hi Dana.
Hi, Sarah. Welcome to my office. It's nice and cozy in here, so hopefully the clients can feel comfortable.
Thanks for